G'day, welcome back to my channel. Today video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset Cisco phone. In this video is Cisco CP6921. So we have 48-watt power supply and it have a network port. And the other side of the phone is just looks pretty good overall. This all the button here. The button that we're going to reset the factory to default is that one, the hash key. So if you connected the cable, the Ethernet cable to the LAN or the network port, and then hold down the hash key for about 15 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. Just make sure all the lights come on. Should come on right now. Now you should be able to, you see LED light flashing on and off on top of the headset. Now it's time to release the hash key and press all the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 star 0 and a hash in sequence like that. I'll just make the videos a bit slower so you can see it clearly. When I was doing it, it was too quick. Cool. Now you are fully factory reset to default settings for the Cisco phones. This is also applied to all Cisco phones that you would like to do. Same method. And here we are. And now you can load all the firmware or configure the phone as you wish. I hope you enjoy the videos. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. That will encourage me to put more videos for you guys to see next time. Thank you. Bye.